Gen Z trying to use a typewriter.
Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
It's not Back to the Future.
Look what I found. I found this.
I have never used a typewriter before.
Hello? Hello? Anybody home?
This is like seeing a dinosaur.
The internet has made it so easy. Everything is just obsolete.
My calculations are correct. You're gonna see some serious.
I was curious how many young people could function without it. So I set up a challenge.
This is some old school tweeting we're doing here.
All right.
If you put your mind to it, you can accomplish anything.
Honestly, this is like the final piece to make me an old person.
That was better than I could have ever hoped for.
Not Back to the Future. And don't even think about trying to use a rotary phone.